This is a new cutout available. It says joy and it has the nativity scene built in the wording. And I'm going to start by dismantling all the pieces and putting them on the back side of painter's tape. And then I'm going to move the pieces around in color coordinated sections. I'm going to start with Antique Villa, which is a white by Wise Owl. And I'm going to use a dabber from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to hit all the scrolly Mary, Joseph, and baby Jesus with the Antique Villa. Then I'm going to hit the letters, the J, the Y, and the partial O. And I try to do this dabbing motion that's giving me some really nice coverage with this white. Then I'm going to hit the greenery with dry thyme. And then the goldenrod, I'm going to do the star. And then I'm going to go over the word joy with chocolate watered down, almost like stain, and wipe it back. I'm going to hit the stand in the chocolate. And then the solid Mary, Joseph, and baby Jesus. And then I'm going to start gluing my letters down, starting with the J. And you will see the scoring to help you navigate where to place your parts. Then I went to the O. And then the Y. Then I'm going to add my solid Mary, Joseph, using the crazy glue. You can get this glue right at the Dollar Tree. And then I'm going to add the scrolly part, which is in the white, and put it on top of the solid parts of the Mary, the Joseph, and the baby Jesus. I'm going to add the solid manger. Then the scrolly manger. Then I'm going to add glue to the scrolly Joseph. And then I'm going to paint my grass in goldenrod and glue it just under baby Jesus. Then I'm going to add the greenery to the top and bottom of the O. Then I'm going to glue the base together. And then I'm going to add glue to the tab at the bottom of the O in the front and the back and stand it into the stand. You can purchase this cutout at chalkatafancy.com.